Hello once again, good people, all the world's people, my people, all those who follow me, and you guys who are yet to discover Kokovula, Ndebele, the traditional healer. This time around, I'm on Isichitho Samazeze. I'll explain what is Amazeze as we go with this article. Ubutata, the breakup spell of chicken tiny lice, mice and bugs. They will walk all over your body, causing you a very nervy irritation that touches your innermost, sometimes causing some sort of rash and itchy skin around, more especially your most sensitive areas of the body. Ubutata or Amazeze is the Ndebele and the Zulu names for lice, mice, and the tiny bugs that attack chickens by sucking its blood and moving on it, causing irritation and a bodily harm that they may lead to the chicken's death. Therefore, with the shrewdness of the witches, they take that system and convert it through dark powers to make a form of a type of Isichitho. This type of Isichitho causes irritation like the one called Isichitho Solwembu. See my article entitled Isichitho Solwembu, the break-up spell of the fiber of a spider. They are almost similar, but the Isichitho of Ubutata or Amazeze is very irritating and deadly because sometimes you can pick these tiny lice, mites and bugs on your skin. In many cases, these Ubutata and Amazeze won't show when you are alone. You will only be feeling irritated by their moves. But when you are with people, they will start coming out. This is the tricky part of it. It is meant to be visible when you are with people so that you get embarrassed. At times, it will show when there is your employer, your lover, or some high-profile people just to disgrace you. That is Isichitho of the chicken tiny lice, mice and bugs. What are these Ubutata and Amazeze? What exactly is Ubutata or Amazeze? Ubutata is the Ndebele word of Zimbabwe for the name of the chicken tiny lice, mice and bugs. There is a Jaunda word for the bit bigger ones of these chicken mice, lice and bugs called Amawonondo. It is a smaller one of the chicken lice but a bit bigger than Ubutata, 1/3 size of a non and a normal bed bug. All these things can be used as Isichitho. Amazeze is the Zulu word name for the above mentioned creatures. These creatures are very small and not easy to see them with your bare eyes. On a chicken, if it is dead, they move out of feathers and die in few days. But when they serve on one's body as Isichitho, they are not easy to get rid of because of their Isichitho magic. Who is likely to be affected by this Isichitho of Amazeze or Isichitho of Ubutata? It can happen to anyone, no matter how much you can avoid love affairs. No matter your creed, background and your skin color. You might not believe it exists. Yes, you are allowed not to if you so choose, but it will affect you if it is directed to you. That is Isichitho Samazeze or Isichitho Ubutata. Some people will think that you might get affected because you keep chickens in your home. But what about those people who don't keep chickens in their yards but still get affected? Some people try to use pharmaceutical powders and medicines to get rid of them. They even try using poisonous insecticides but fail. What do these lice, mites fleas and bugs feed on. They feed on the blood of the chicken, and same applies with human beings as Isichitho Samazeze or Isichitho Ubutata. They make one lose weight so badly. When they feed on one's blood, these things may cause a permanently itchy condition on one's body that may only be removed by a powerful spiritualist who understands how tricky the problem can be. In addition, this kind of Isichitho has a specific method of getting rid of it. There are many types of Isichitho which are similar to this, such as Isichitho of the legs of millipede. It does the same on your body and acts like there is something moving on your skin, irritating you with those legs. I will say this again. Witches are scientists and the researchers and the inventors, more than inventors and scientists put together. They can adapt to any diseases and modify it to suit their own level of attack or systems, and they use them for their bewitching. Me again, your spiritual healer, Sangoma, a traditional healer, and a shaman, Kokovula. Please make your comments, subscribe, like and share these videos. The world and your own people needs them. They need these teachings. I thank you.
Esamasibo, esesintu,